Hello, I'm Jenny.
Today, we discuss about the NOT operator in Python. The Python NOT operator is a logical operator used in Python programming to invert the value of a Boolean expression.
Now we see what is the Python NOT operator.
In Python, the NOT operator is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, the NOT operator will make it false. Oppositely, if a condition is false, using the NOT operator will make it true. This operator is clear to use and understand, making it a favorite among beginners learning to write conditional statements and control flow in Python. Now we see syntax of the NOT operator. In Python programming language, the syntax for the NOT operator is simple. It precedes the expression or value it is intended to invert. Here is the basic syntax. Examples of the NOT operator. Let's look at some practical examples to understand how the NOT operator works. Here, the NOT operator checks if it is not raining. Since is_raining is false, the not is_raining condition becomes true, and the first print statement is executed. Then the output will be, you can go outside without an umbrella. Of NOT operator in Python. The NOT operator is handy when you need to check the opposite of a given condition. It simplifies the code by making it more readable and brief. Instead of writing complex conditional statements, you can also use the Python NOT operator to achieve the same result more elegantly. Now we need to see practical applications of the NOT operator in Python. The NOT operator is widely used in various practical applications, such as user input validation, ensuring that a user input meets certain criteria, loop control, breaking out of loops based on the negation of a condition, conditional execution, running code only if certain conditions are not met. Now we discuss common errors occurs during the NOT operator. When using the Python NOT operator, beginners might make some common mistakes. Here are a few to watch out for. Misunderstanding Boolean values. Ensure you understand how true and false values work in Python. Incorrect syntax. Remember that the Python NOT operator precedes the expression it inverts. Logical errors. Carefully construct your conditions to avoid unexpected results.
Thank you for watching our educational content. Your support inspires us to create even more engaging videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and stay in